Hey everyone, it's Murray Fife here. Today I thought that I'd create something fun and show you how to use a combination of two AI technologies. Some of these probably you already know, but I'm going to use them in conjunction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use ChatGPT to go out and create an image, and then I'm going to take that image and that prompt that's created and then use MidJourney to create a better image for it. I find that ChatGPT does well with the sort of experimentation, but MidJourney creates better images that we can go out and we can use for PowerPoints and stock images. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by creating an image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say I want to create an image of a cow. And so this is going to go out and create the image for me. And I haven't given it a lot of grounding as to what I want to create, but it's created a cow for me. And I'm going to do the next step, and I'm going to tell it that I want to make the cow uh, ultra realistic. So it's working away and it's going to create a new version of the cow. It'll probably be similar to what I had before because it didn't create a cartoon uh, cow for me at this time. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, I want you to simulate using a specific camera. So in this case, I'm going out and I'm going to create a an image based on a Nikon camera and simulate that. So this adds aperture and some other things. And that added a hand there, and I'm going to say remove the hand. And it's going to create that image for me. So I'm going to make some adjustments. And what I'm going to do now though is I want to create it, make it a little bit more artsy, and I'm going to say I want to blur the background. So I'm going to just say blur background and create a new version of it. And then finally what I'm going to do after this is done is I'm going to make this memorable. So I'm going to take some advice from Seth Godin, and I'm going to make the cow purple because uh, everyone sees cows normally, but they see purple cows less often. So it's a little bit more memorable in the system when you look at it. So this has now created a purple cow for me. Now what I want to do is I'm going to say, show me the prompt. So what this is doing is this is going out and it's showing me the prompt that was used to generate this image. So this is good. Rather than going out and sort of manually building this prompt, then it's done that for me. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to move over to MidJourney, and I'm going to use that prompt, and I'm going to tell it to imagine this cow. Now the things that we can do where the MidJourney that's a little bit different is I can change the aspect ratio. So I want this to be widescreen. So I'm going to set the aspect ratio to 19 by 13. So what it's doing is it's taking the prompt that was created in ChatGPT, and now it's going to go out and build that image for me using what I think is a little bit more of a robust image generator. Now, the image that you created within GPT may be good enough for you for your scenarios, but I'm just going to spiff it up a little bit and see what pops out here. So now it's gone out and it's creating my 4 images for me that I can look at, and then I can go out and I can choose any one of these. So which one do I want? I actually think that this third one is the better one. So I'm going to upscale that, and then when I expand it out, now I've got an image that I can go out and I can use in my PowerPoints and my presentations however I want. and it's personalized. It's exactly what I wanted, and I thought this was pretty darn cool. So uh, I'll stop here. I hope this was useful. If anyone wants to contact me and ask questions or comment about it inside of the thread, whether it's on YouTube or LinkedIn, then just ping me, and I hope this was interesting.